This is the peanut butter and jelly cupcake you have been waiting for. I wasn't even going to make a video for this recipe today, but once I ate one, I thought, oh, this needs to be shared with the world. Starting with my food processor cake mix method, we are throwing everything right in there, and that is the sugar, flour, baking powder, baking soda, and salt, peanut butter, and I've added a bit of vinegar to my plant milk, and then a spot of vanilla, a flax egg for the binder, and that also adds super moistness to this cupcake, since I've found that peanut butter cupcakes can tend to be on the more dry side, but not this one. Oh, not this one. Just wait until you see this. Oh, I can't wait. So whiz up that batter for just about 30 seconds. And by the way, just because I'm obsessed with my food processor cake method nowadays does not mean that you can't just whisk this up all by hand. No problemo. All right, now scoop the batter into the cupcake liners, and they're going to bake for just about 20 minutes at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Springy, soft, and fluffy cupcakes now get hollowed out for a big spoonful of Silda's refined sugar-free jam. Today I'm using black and blue, which is, you guessed it, blackberry and blueberry jam. It is so good. All right, now for the lower sugar peanut butter icing, and I've used my newest recipe for 5 times lower sugar buttercream. That's going bonkers right now. Everyone is loving it so much. I've added some peanut butter powder to it instead of straight up peanut butter because number 1, it's more stable, and number 2, it's got almost 0 fat, and buttercream has enough fat on its own, am I right? I'm going to link to that new buttercream video at the end of this one, so be sure to go and watch that new recipe if you have not already. Well, that is it. It is so easy to make peanut butter and jelly cupcakes with the best vegan recipes you'll ever come across. So what are you waiting for? Go make this recipe right now and then report back to me in the comments below. Be sure you click below this video in the description for the direct links to my website at gretchensveganbakery.com, where I list everything that I'm using today to make these cupcakes. All right, everyone, thanks so much for watching, and until next time, happy vegan baking. Bye for now.